We want to see if the expression 3 times 4 plus 3 times 5 is a correct expression for calculating the area of the compound figure below. From what we know about order of operations, we would have to perform all multiplication first. So our first steps in evaluating this expression would be to perform the multiplication 3 times 4 and then the multiplication 3 times 5 before we did anything with the addition sign. Now let's see how that relates to our compound figure. In our compound rectangle below, we can see that it's made up of two smaller rectangles. The first one's highlighted here in green. This green rectangle has a width of 3 units and a length of 4 units. So the area of this green rectangle could be found by multiplying 3 times 4. Now, let's look at the second rectangle, which I have highlighted here in blue. The second rectangle has a length of 5 units, but it shares the same width as the green rectangle. So the width of the blue rectangle would also be 3 units. So to find the area of the blue rectangle, we would perform the calculation 3 times 5. So this would give us two separate areas, one area for the green rectangle and one area for the blue rectangle. If we wanted to find the area of the whole entire compound figure, we would just add those two areas together. So that tells us that the expression 3 times 4 plus 3 times 5 is a correct way to calculate the area of this compound figure.